how to remove WhatsApp from other devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can remove WhatsApp from other devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to remove WhatsApp from other devices, all you have to do is just go ahead and then first of all launch the WhatsApp application here. And once you launch the WhatsApp app, if you think your account is also logged in other devices and you want to remove them, tap on the three dots option located at the top right hand side of the screen here. And one of the options you'll find here is the option called linked devices. So just tap the linked devices option here and you should be able to see all this, where you can directly select a particular one that you like. So you can select a certain device that you don't recognize for some reason, and then you can just tap on the logout option here, and once you tap on the logout option, you'll be able to remove WhatsApp from other devices. This way you can remove WhatsApp from other devices. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.